and Keegan, and you're watching the JK Sisters. If you guys wonder what we're doing today, obviously you can tell by the title, but we're making JoJo Siwa slime. If you guys wonder where we got this, you can watch Spending Our Christmas/Birthday Money. The slime kit review is gonna be like honest. So we are both gonna pick a slime from the slimes, obviously on the back. There's a purple, there's fluffy, rainbow, glitter, bow sparkles, or giggly. So let's just see what's in this. Okay. So there is white slime glue.
We got some glitter. JoJo Siwa glitter.
Pink glitter, and then we have clear slime glue. If these are the only glues activator, we don't have to make it, so that's nice. We also have another activator. Is there 2 more glues or something?
How to make
Okay, hold on.
Yeah.
We have the container. We have purple glitter.
We got
Bowls. Some bow glitter. These are supposed to be the spoons. Paints.
We got another one.
It came 3. Okay.
That's all.
What is it? And then measuring. And then there's instructions. I think that is. Hey guys, we've got that. AC has decided to do the clear bow glitter slime. So we're gonna follow the instructions exactly how it says. So step 1, 15 milliliters of clear glue. So I'm gonna tell you when to stop. Okay? I'm gonna tell you pour it until I say. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Stop.
Stop. Use the bowls because we're using everything in the kit. So it says to pour it into it and then scrape out as much glue as you can to get all of it in. The next step is 20 milliliters of room temperature water. You can combine the 20 milliliters of the water in the slime. Next step is to add it, and Jason's gonna do the bow. He said to put half of it, so we're gonna do that. Cute little bows. I think that's half. I think we need a little bit more. Never too many glitters. Stir it until it's completely blended. A little blob of liquid. Step is to measure 5 milliliters of activator and pour it in slowly. So we're gonna go measure, and Jason's gonna stir. Boom, 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 boom.
Look at all these glitters.
Mix it.
We're turning a snow slime.
Wait, so it's snow slime. Keep mixing really fast.
Just sting on to me.
It's working. It's gonna be pretty small.
This. Look at blob. That means working out well. I was about to say a whale.
A whale.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
I think that's good, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Do it
the
with my
next
hands.
step is to get it out and knead it with your hand.
Turning out well. Not mixing.
Just kneading.
No. Just want it all covered with glitter.
I'm mixing it
Because,
Jay doesn't really want mixing, so I'm just gonna. It's actually a pretty good. If honestly, it's not done yet, but right now I'd probably. Out of 10, I'm probably gonna give it a 7. It's not done yet, so there could be like a 10 out of 10 range. So I think it's done. Look how pretty that is. Honestly, this is probably the prettiest slime we've ever made by ourselves because we normally just buy slimes and they're probably not even as pretty as this.
It's kind of sticky. It's pretty stretchy. I don't know how to make a bubble. Let's just listen to Crunch. We honestly love this slime. It's probably the best slime kit we've ever made. The really cool thing is that there's two sides, so like you can just make two slimes. Purple fluffy slime, because I love fluffy slime. 20 milliliters of white glue. Honestly, like look how much glue we have left. So like 20. There's definitely a lot more milliliters than the other one, probably because it's fluffy. To the bowl. It's already kind of like a slime because of the leftover slime activator, but it's to measure 20 milliliters of water, so I'm going to do that. Pour it into the same slime into the bowl. Okay. It says to add 1 to 2 spoonfuls. I think you get to pick the color, and my favorite color is purple, so I'm going to choose purple. And it came with it, and we're going to choose purple. You guys don't have to do purple, but I...
Oh, pink, so I'll pick pink if I do that one. Ooh, that kind of looks cool. To my slime.
Boom.
My
Okay.
cloud.
Get the color out because the spoon barely fits. So like kind of I just did one, even though it looks like I did 2 because like it would only go up to there. We're gonna mix it until blended. It doesn't say what to do. We're gonna use this one because it has some paint on it. A few drops of slime activator. I don't think we need that much because the thing. I'm glad it said only a few. So now we're gonna mix it with the slime stick. Oh yeah. And I'm glad that it didn't turn out as dark as it did. Because I don't really like dark purple. I like a medium, like a light purple. I think it's gonna be pretty big. I wonder if it's gonna be fluffy. Like I have so many questions. It says to do this until it starts coming off the sides. Okay, it's coming off the sides. It's all off the sides now. It's fluffy, so it doesn't take that much activator. So now it just says to knead it with your hands. I think we might need a couple more drops of activator. Thank you, camera lady. We're doing it as the instructions say, but if we weren't doing it as the instructions say, we would probably add like 20 bags of glitter. There's like these weird clumps in it. I think you just have to knead it a lot to make those go away. Spooky spider go away. Obviously, we probably... We didn't know how we were gonna make fluffy slime without shaving cream, but honestly, this is how it feels just like fluffy slime. And by the way, the clumps that were in there at the beginning, I think they were just like glue clumps and activators, so like we just had to mix it and stretch it. This one's a lot smaller than mine. I think because mine's supposed to be fluffy and hers is just like a clear. Definitely the best slime kit we've ever had. The thing would probably be the instructions and the add-ins, and the instructions actually work. And because other slime kits we have done, we
follow the instructions exactly and they don't seem to work out. So this is definitely worth the $30 because how good it was. And if this is out of 10 out of 10, I can't speak today. So, bye!